Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and you probably already know what this is from the title, but that's okay. Darren and I are getting ready to travel on Route 66 and make it a thing because it just sounds like fun. When we had this idea, we had no idea it was a thing. We have a doll, I'm looking at her now, that I'm not going to show you yet because she isn't finished. Her name is Ruth 66. She is a Blythe doll, and it's coming along well. I like her very much. She has her high pony in. We had planned to go in November, and we're going to go to Chicago, and we're meeting another dolly YouTuber there, and we're going to meet up with them. I'm taking at least 2 Blythes. We like to travel with Kinda Me Too because she has the gestures we like in traffic. But I wanted a specific doll for some of the shopping we're going to do. And I changed my mind on the type. I was going to get an AG 18-inch American Girl doll and do a fix-up and restoration on her when I found this. And I don't have a Wellie Wisher in my collection. She was a really good price. I couldn't believe how cheap she was. But you know me, they had make offer. Well, of course I'm going to, because if you have make offer, that means you expect people to get it for less than you're asking. This doll's really wrapped nice. She's a 14-inch doll. I have barely any clothes for her, so I plan to make her dress. Shouldn't smell bad. Her hair is going to need some attention, and that's not a problem because about every single Wellie Wisher on eBay needed attention. And when you do curly hair, you do this one curl at a time when you comb this out. That's what happens to this hair. Rather than combing it with a large tooth comb, one curl at a time, people take brushes and just go like this. Well, this is what happens. So we're going to fix her hair up and give her a bath. You know, she's in really good shape. I'm not seeing too many flaws here. I see less on her than I did. There's a little bitty place on her foot that they pointed out that I thought was going to be like a big deal. She's nice and tight, and what an adorable face. Not a lot of articulation, but American Girl doll. I used my salve, shea butter, and pure coconut oil cream rinse on this doll's hair. I didn't let it sit this time. I went ahead, and this is so knotted, but look at this. I've just started at the bottom. I'm working my way up. The first thing I did was comb each of the curls that were still there. I combed them first, and then I started working on the big knot at the end. And I'm just, I start low, move up, and pick up a little bit more each time. And I'll keep doing that until I have this where I can comb right through it without resistance. And then we're going to give this doll hair. I think I might let it sit and let this cream rinse work into this hair a little bit, and then I'll wash it. Sometimes I leave it about 20 minutes. Okay, I took a wash rag and cleaned her up with dish soap real good. First I did the cream rinse. I let that set for 20 minutes after I could comb through it. I put the cream rinse in. I used a big tooth comb. I got it all straightened out. I kept combing it till I could get a smaller tooth comb through it. Then I let it sit for 20 minutes with that cream rinse all in that dry hair. Gave her a good bath with dish detergent, really scrubbed her up. And now I tilt them up like this so that any water that gets inside gets moved around the body, not just left in the legs to dry. In about an hour or so, I'll flip her up to sit, and then I'll move her on her back. But I will keep the hair out of it And I just let that dry naturally. I don't use a hair dryer or anything on that. And while I was at it, I found this little girl in a grab bag, and I got her cleaned up too. And she's also going to get moved around so any water in their body comes out. I had some shoes upstairs. Actually, I had a few pair. I really like these. You know me and that glitter and shiny things. I'm like a magpie. That's what Ellie Nefrit says we are, magpies. I made this little dress from, oh, I meant to show you that pattern, from a 14-inch doll pattern that we had bought at Joann's when they were on sale. I'm real pleased with how the little dress came out. Would I do things different on it? I would. I think I'd shorten the length of the skirt so it doesn't poof out as much. And I might, stand up, sweetie. She didn't have a stand yet. Our 3D printers on the Blink. It is Christmas Day, I wanted to add, when I'm filming this. I've got some girls in Christmas and I'm working on Valentine's. Margie is one of my favorite dolls. She is a chubby Blythe, and I really like her new outfit. It really worked out cute, I think. I just wanted to show her real quick. So I made this dress, and I made her these tights. I started to say leggings, but they're tights. I worked on leggings over here for chubby Blythe. And Darren bought me something, I know what it is, for my little Wellie wisher that I wanted to open and show you because I'm pretty excited. I am actually looking at another Wellie wisher. I really like them. They're a cute size. They're really fun to sew for. Look what I got. You know I love skates on dolls. Look at these. They're little Wellie wisher ice skates. Isn't that adorable? And this is a little outfit. Oh, she had more than... Is this the bid you won? Mm-hmm. Well, then it did have everything. We did not think it had everything, but it does.
You lost the bid on the one that
was... that's right. That's right. And you went and bought this one. That's right. Okay, so Darren was bidding on one for me, and it didn't have this stuff. And I think it had something on the coat from the pictures.
Had one glove.
Oh, that's right. He had one glove. And he went and looked around, and he found this one, and he made an offer, and we got it. Let me put this on her. Isn't she cute? I love a doll in skates. I don't know what it is, but I love it. These are actually... I believe that's embroidered. Yeah, that is machine embroidered in. Isn't that cute? I really like this outfit. I wanted to show you her hair. I haven't recurled it, but it all came out so nice. I will have to take each curl and work that, but it's going to take a little time, and I don't have it right now, so that's how she looks. But I am so pleased with this little doll, so much so I'm thinking about getting another Wellie wisher. I like the size. Sewing for them is really fun. I'm going to be making something to go with this little outfit very soon. Stand up, sweetie pie. Oh, stand up. I want her to wave to you. There we go. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.